Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. You need to start by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then to set it up, you will need to tap on the same options in both apps. Begin by clicking on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though about new updates, you can tap on OK right away, or select Not Now and then click OK. Either way, when you're ready, tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel device. Then receive right next to Send at the bottom of 9 Pro XL. Also on Google Pixel smartphone, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files that you wish to transfer. When you finish, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then click on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order and choose Receive. To scan the QR code though, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!